Hello everyone. One more common issue that we are facing during posting any financial transaction. It may be like F-02 or it may be reversal, it may be vendor invoice, it may be vendor credit memo or customer invoice, customer credit memo, MyGo document, Myro document, delivery document, asset document. It can be any financial document or it can be from any other modules. Okay. So if the document is coming to finance means finance accounting number will be generated. Finance document number will be generated, right? So when system is trying to generate a document number, if the document number is not maintained in FBN1, so you will be getting this error. So in company code so and so number ranges, it may be 02, it may be 05, it may be 15, 16, 17, 51, 50, whatever the number range. If you have not maintained, you will get the error. So now how to resolve the error? So first thing, these number ranges are coming from document types. Okay, let us forget about document type. Okay, so how to resolve the error? Very simple. Just go to FBN1 transaction, FBN1. So company code B, BI30, change intervals. Here the number ranges are year specific. Okay, sometimes if you have maintained for 2024, if you have not maintained for 2025 in real time, okay, we get this type of errors in real time. But while practicing, if you have not configured properly, you'll get an error. Let me click on insert line 02. And one more problem you are doing is you are mentioning just 2. If you are mentioning 1, 2, SAP will not understand. You have to maintain 02. Okay, whatever error you are getting, same thing you have to maintain here, year 2025. So the best practice is 02 all zeros, 02 all nines. SAP has given 10 digits for number ranges. Since I am using for 02, I started with 02 all zeros and ended with 02 all nines. Okay. If you are selecting this external checkbox, what happened? You have to enter the number manually. So it is very difficult. So don't enter this external checkbox. External checkbox. Just save. Press enter. Now go back. Now I am doing the reversal document for this. So I was getting an error earlier. Now let me post. See, now the document has been generated. So since I have maintained 02 number ranges, I got this number. Let me go to the document display. So this is the document number. Okay. And why system is asking this document number? Because while reversing, SAP is asking the document type as AB. In document type AB, let me go and check my AB document type. Where is my AB document type? OBA7. OBA7. Okay, it's already logged. No worries. Where is AB? Double click on AB. The number range is 02. Since your document type is having number range 02 and this 02 number is not maintained in our FBN1, we were getting this problem. Okay. So I hope you are clear. So number ranges issues, it is very simple. You have to go and maintain in FBN1. Okay. Thank you all of you.